Hey, so, what camera case?
Your camera case.
Oh,
We need that, Donna.
thank you. Thank you very much. It certainly gets people in the mood.
We're on video, aren't we?
We are on video.
Yeah, we're on video.
And Donna, I do appreciate that testimonial, not for me, but
The
for...
camera case is awesome. If I could turn the camera so you could see the camera case,
How do we do that?
Awesome. We don't.
We can't, I was just going to turn the camera around, but you still can't videotape
The
it.
best thing I can do is I can take a picture of your camera case with my phone and then turn my phone around so you can take a picture.
Okay, let's see if we can do that live. During the video, we're going to try an interesting technological experiment. We're going to show you folks my vanity case. Now, she's going to take a picture of the back of my iPhone, which is a custom-made case.
Okay, ready?
And now let's see what the case looks like. This is what everyone's going wild about. Okay, so let's see. Now, so here, okay. This is the back of my iPhone custom-made case. So there it is. It's me with my arms outstretched like Jesus. And now, of course, everyone now will want their own custom-made iPhone case.
Yes, Lou, and where do we go to get one?
And this is not this is not my affiliate link. It is a company called Uncommon, and you
Point this at you while you're talking. There we go.
So what you want to do is go to getuncommon.com.
Okay.
$35, upload your own photo, logo, whatever you like, position it on the screen, hit send, and within 5 days you will have your very own vanity case for your iPhone.
Woo!
How cool is that?
That's awesome.
Woo!
All right. Bye.